One day, you will wake up and not have to work for money ever again. That day is called retirement, and it is closer than you think. But here is the scary part that nobody likes to say out loud. Most people have absolutely no idea how much money that day requires. They just hope it will somehow work out when they get there. And hope is a beautiful thing, but it is a terrible retirement plan. So today, we are going to replace that hope with a real number. By the end of this video, you will know your own retirement number. You will know how much to save each month to reach it. And you will know how to get there even if you are starting late. No jargon, no fear, just a calm and simple plan you can actually follow. Let's begin with why almost everyone is flying blind about this. Ask most people how much they need to retire and they freeze. Some say a big round number they heard once and never questioned. Others say they will figure it out later, much later. The truth is that retirement feels too far away to feel real. When you are young, old age is a fog you can barely imagine. So your brain quietly files it under problems for another day. Meanwhile, the one resource you need most is slipping away every year. That resource is time, and it is doing all the heavy lifting. The longer you wait to face the number, the harder the number gets. So let's stop avoiding it and actually find your number today. Here is the simple idea behind every retirement plan ever made. When you stop working, your salary stops, but your expenses do not. You still need food, a home, power, medicine, and a little joy. So you need a pile of money big enough to pay for all of that. Year after year, without you ever clocking in again. Your retirement number is simply the size of that pile. And the beautiful part is that you can estimate it on the back of a napkin. Let me show you the simplest method that actually works. Step 1. Figure out what 1 year of your retired life will cost. Don't overthink it, just imagine your monthly spending when you are older. Maybe your housing is paid off and the kids are grown and gone. But maybe your health costs and travel dreams are higher. Take a calm, honest guess at your monthly spending in retirement. Then multiply that monthly figure by 12 to get 1 full year. That single yearly number is the engine of this whole plan. Now comes the one rule that turns that year into your full target. A widely used guide says you can safely spend about 4% of your savings each year. That means your nest egg needs to be roughly 25 times your yearly spending. So take your yearly retirement cost and multiply it by 25. That answer is your retirement number, your finish line. Let me make it concrete with a clean, simple example. Say you will need the equivalent of 40,000 a year to live well. Multiply that by 25, and your number is 1 million. It sounds enormous, and the first time you see it, it can be frightening. But take a breath, because you are not paying that all at once. You are building it slowly, with time and a little help from compounding. And that is exactly where the magic of starting early comes in. Now let me show you why starting early changes absolutely everything. Two friends decide to save for retirement, and both reach the same finish line. The first one starts in her 20s and saves a modest amount each month. The second one waits until his 40s, then panics and saves much more. You would think the bigger saver ends up far ahead. But the early starter often wins, even while putting in less money total. How is that even possible, you might ask? Because her money had decades to grow on top of itself. Her early contributions quietly turned into the biggest part of her nest egg. The late starter had to fight time instead of letting time work for him. Every year you delay, the monthly amount you need climbs higher. Starting at 25 is a gentle stroll toward your number. Starting at 45 is a sprint uphill carrying weights. So the single best move you can make is to begin now, however small. Even a tiny amount started today beats a huge amount started later. Now let's answer the question you actually came here for. How much should you save every single month to hit your number? The honest answer depends on your age, your target, and your time left. But here is a simple way to think about it without complex math. Take your retirement number and the years you have until you stop working. The more years you have, the smaller your monthly amount can be. A common starting target is to save around 15% of your income. If that feels impossible right now, start with whatever you can. Even 5% today builds the habit and starts the clock ticking. Then raise it a little every time your income grows. The exact percentage matters less than starting and staying consistent. Now let's talk about where this retirement money should actually go. Cash sitting idle slowly loses its power as prices rise over decades. So your retirement savings must be invested to grow, not just stored. Most countries offer dedicated retirement accounts built exactly for this. These accounts often give you tax advantages to reward long-term saving. Inside them, your money is usually invested in a broad mix of assets. A simple, low-cost, diversified fund is the workhorse of most plans. When you are young, you can lean more toward growth assets like stocks. As you near retirement, you slowly shift toward steadier, safer holdings. The goal is simple: let it grow while young, protect it when close. If your employer offers any matching contribution, take every bit of it. That match is free money added straight to your future, so never leave it behind. Set it up to happen by itself, so you never have to rely on willpower. Now let's talk to everyone who feels they started way too late. Maybe you are 40 or 50 and you have barely begun. First, take a deep breath, because it is genuinely not over for you. Late is real, but late is still far better than never. You simply have to play a smarter and more focused game now. Your first move is to find your number, exactly as we did earlier. Seeing the real target removes the fog and gives you something to aim at. Your second move is to raise your savings rate as high as you bravely can. Many retirement systems even allow older savers to contribute extra each year. Use every one of those catch-up opportunities that exist for your age. Your third move is to cut expenses that no longer serve the life you want. Every amount you free up can be redirected straight into your future. Your fourth move is to consider working just a few years longer if you can. Each extra working year does two powerful things at the same time. It gives your savings more time to grow before you touch them. And it shrinks the number of years that savings has to support you. Those two effects together can transform a scary picture into a workable one. So if you started late, do not waste energy on regret. Pour that energy into the focused plan starting right now, today. Now let's talk about a fear that quietly haunts every retiree. The fear of running out of money before you run out of life. This is the real reason we built a number, not just to retire, but to stay retired. Remember that guide about spending around 4% of your savings each year. That rule exists precisely so your money can outlast you. If you spend slowly and let the rest keep growing, the pile can last for decades. But if you pull out too much too fast, you can drain it dangerously early. So the secret to lasting money is discipline in how much you withdraw. In strong years, you can spend a touch more without worry. In weak years, trim your spending a little to protect the engine. Keep a buffer of safer money for the rough patches so you never sell in panic. Done this way, your nest egg becomes a stream that simply keeps flowing. Now let me warn you about the common mistakes that wreck good plans. The first mistake is waiting for the perfect moment to start. The perfect moment does not exist, and waiting only steals your time. The second mistake is guessing your number instead of actually calculating it. A real target beats a vague feeling every single time. The third mistake is touching your retirement money early for other goals. Every amount you pull out young loses decades of future growth. The fourth mistake is keeping everything in cash out of fear. Over 30 years, idle cash quietly loses the race against rising prices. The fifth mistake is ignoring the free match from an employer when offered. And the final mistake is assuming retirement will simply sort itself out. It will not, but you, starting today, absolutely can sort it out. Now let's end with the part that matters most, the mindset. Retirement is not really about becoming old and stepping aside. Retirement is about buying back the most precious thing you own, your time. It is the freedom to wake up and choose how you spend your day. To work if you want to, and to rest fully when you do not. That kind of freedom is not a gift that lands by luck. It is built quietly, one steady contribution at a time, for years. Every amount you save today is a future morning you get to call your own. You are not just saving money, you are buying back your future self's freedom. And the best time to start building that freedom is right now. So here is my question for you. Do you know your retirement number yet? Tell me in the comments how many years you have until you want to be free. If this gave you a real plan, follow Wealth Insight Hub for more honest money guides. We turn confusing money topics into calm, simple steps you can actually take. Thanks for watching, and here is to retiring without fear, on your own terms.